before this video starts, I just want to say thank you for 200 subscribers. Okay, let's play the game. Thank you so much. And then this is the 200 subscriber special. Celebrating 10 years of Side Adventures coming soon. Okay, let's play the game. Come on. Okay, let's play the game. So, hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we're playing Do Not Push the Button Part 3. That's right. Hey. So, let's play the game. Hey, who has my same hair? Look at that. Same face. Not the color. Look at that. Look at that. Whoa. It was like a twin. So today, it's my birthday, and I'm 8. Oh. Come on, get the fire extinguisher. Go, 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 go! Go! Yes! Go, 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 go! It's impossible. Oh! Oh! Okay, I'll choose a correct path. Yeah! I got the correct map! Yeah! Okay.
Turn into a home page. There is so many to choose from. Tap the link below and download now. Take a picture.
You can't handle this.
And it'll turn into a home page. There is so many to choose from. Tap the link below.
You can't handle this. Mission accepted. Okay. Okay. Something going on. Huh? Okay. Hey, what are you wearing? What are you wearing? Yes, I don't. What are you wearing? Oh, Roblox is working. I'll try. Okay, I fix it. Okay. I did it. I got a property in Egypt.
Very good.
I played this game before. Dude, my friend and two sisters. Huh? You know what it means, guys? I got a property in Egypt. You know what, guys? I got a party in Egypt. Okay. I'm a zombie now. I got a property in Egypt. I got a property in Egypt. You know what that means, guys? I got a property in Egypt. Okay. I gotta hide over here. Huh?
Of course, paper is better. Duh, that's not even a question.
Is Talking Android doing? I can't find a way. I can't find a way. My Google Map broke. I can't find a way. My Google Map broke. Okay. I'll do it. Oh, because Mario Kid is gonna win tonight. The kid is innocent.
I'm going to
lobby because
ผมเมามีการ
I
เกาผม
can't.
มีการก็มา
Alright, kids, here's your breakfast. Mr. Feastable today.
Oh boy, eat. So carefully. Wait, how? Wawaton. Still water. Let's put the flashing back. He's swimming ball. I got a property in Egypt. I got a property in Egypt. I got a property in Egypt. Just wait. Oh. That's a dead body. Cheetah! Okay. Me. Okay. That's a dead party. I can't do it. I keep feeling a water times, hundreds and hundreds of times. Look at the zoom ads. I got a property in Egypt. You know what? So, thank you so much guys for our next video. See you guys in the next video to play playing, do not press the button part 4. See you guys later.